Hello, this is Christian. Today I'm gonna try something new for my newsletter. As you may remember, I was writing these every week and putting them on LinkedIn. But I was saying last time that these things take me a lot of time. So it took me a couple of hours to write each of these posts. And recently I was thinking of ways on how I could optimize that so I can be more frugal with my time. And I recently discovered this tool called Loom, which is essentially a video recording software that helps me to record these short videos. And the goal is for this to allow me to save some of my time while coming up with these new newsletters. So without further ado, let's talk a bit about what I was doing this week. Because as usual, I was just posting updates on my journey so far. So this week I spent a lot of time in my website editor. So I'm using this tool called Versoli, and basically it's a drag and drop HTML editor that allows me to build my website with a few clicks. And what I did, I focused on coming up with a more clear way to clarify my offer of what I'm doing, what I'm offering, the tools and services that I have. I was recently reading a book on a couple of books on marketing, and basically it's all about being able to distill the things that you're offering in a clear and concise way. And also to use videos for like introducing yourself and your offering. So the way it works so far, I have the website now that states my background. I have little videos in which I introduce myself and the tools and services that I'm offering. And for the tools, I try to state the benefits and also, that's kind of it actually. So that's kind of my focus for first half of the week, was just updating my website with this tool and recording these videos. Actually, this one I recorded earlier today, in which I introduce myself with my background and how I can help. And then throughout the week, I kept working on my other tools. I was working a bit on the EBS Optimizer, and for EBS came up with a few improvements. Basically, I implemented the tag filtering mode, so it now works with opt-in and opt-out, much like auto spotting. And I also have filtering based on tags. So by default now you need to set the volumes with optimized true. Much like in auto spotting, you set spot enabled equals true on your tags. So that's kind of the main thing of the week on EBS Optimizer. In addition to that, I also try to change the way it's billing, because previously it was just billing on an hourly basis, which isn't so good for a tool that is used for one-off conversions. So the way it works from now on is I'm gonna bill whenever I do a conversion. I'm gonna bill for 1 month of savings, and then I'm not gonna bill again for the next year. So the plan is to have this yearly cycle, billing 1 month and then nothing for the next remaining of the year. For now, I do it 100% of the first month of savings. So that's kind of how my week went. I hope you like my new way of giving these updates. I'm gonna just put these in a video format on my newsletter. And yeah, as always, please comment below and let me know what you think about my content. Thank you so much, and see you soon for the next week's update.